Hey guys, how are you? My name is Olbaid, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create tropical house in just a few minutes. The first step, set the tempo to any value between 100 and 115. Now add a kick every beat. Some nice punchy kick. Now we need clap and snare sounds. It's important to add some reverb to make it sound bigger. We need more percussion. In this case, I'm using this closed hi-hat and this widow. Let's spice things up, just adding some closed hats, a tambourine, and a shaker. Let's fill the space using some drum loops, like this one, and lastly this one. To finish this section, I'm going to add this crash sound and this drum fill sound with lots of reverb. That's all for the drums part. Now let's go with the bass line. Let's hear it together with the drums. Now we need some chords. In this case, I'm using this Rhodes sound, this plug sound, and of course this piano one. The rhythm is the same as the bass line, and now let's hear it together. Great, let's add another layer with pad sounds. This one is a little whoopier, and this one is brighter. Let's hear with the bass line and the chords. Okay, the last layer. These are the same chords, but with another rhythm. Now, for the main part, the main melody, this is made using some flute sounds, four layers for the same melody, some guitars for the backup, and this synth just to finish the sound. If you have some vocals, you may add them here.
You are my sunshine. You are my sunshine.
By the way, that's my voice, but just heavily processed. Last but not least, the effects, foley, atmospheres, uplifters, risers, and more. Okay, that's it. If you made everything right, you may get something like this. Okay guys, that's all for this video. I hope you learned something today. And if you want to listen the full song, the link is in the description below and also here in the top corner. If you want me to do another genre, please let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you like this video. And of course, don't forget to check my website olbaidmusic.com, where you can find samples, templates, presets and much more. That's all for this video and see you the next time.